Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So good news for Windows 10 users that would like to have a downloadable image of Windows 10 that is up to date. Microsoft has issued the latest up-to-date images through its download website for Windows 10 22H2. So if you are or if you do want to have the latest image, one of the reasons why you might want this latest image is simply that it will take less time to install, because once the install is done, it's already up to date, so it doesn't need to go and fetch all the other updates. It'll just have a minimal install of updates afterwards. And you'll be at the May 2023 Patch Tuesday fix, which will include, of course, also the important Secure Boot fix that was issued also. So I'll share the link to the web page where you can download Windows 10. You download it from here. You can check the installation media here with the media creation tool. We'll bring up this tool. There on the tool you have the place where you can download the ISO file or create a flash drive. And if you upgrade, if you choose update now or upgrade or whatever option you choose, you will have also at the same time this latest image that will install Windows 10 22H2. So this is going to save time, and it's nice to see that they taken the time to update this. I think one of the major reasons they did it is really to have the Secure Boot fix in the image already, so that you can actually be safe from the start if you install Windows 10 22H2. So here you are. And the link to the download is in the description below. If you have any comments, questions, let us know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.